Nestled between two sparkling lakes and surrounded by the legendary Swiss Alps, Interlaken is the kind of place that makes you stop, stare, and pinch yourself, just to make sure it's real. If you're ready for a jaw-dropping adventure, here are my top 15 must-see spots and experiences in Interlaken, Switzerland. Number 1. Jungfrau, the top of Europe. This is the highest railway station on the continent. The train ride itself is an experience, and when you step out, you're greeted by glaciers, snow-capped peaks, and views that honestly look photoshopped. Number 2. Paragliding. If you've ever wanted to soar like a bird, Interlaken's the place. Feel the rush as you float above the lakes and valleys with the Alps as your backdrop. Absolutely unforgettable. 3. Lake Brienz. Crystal clear blue water, surrounded by mountains, perfect for a relaxing boat cruise, or just chill on the shore and soak it all in. 4. Lake Thun. This one's a little bigger and packed with castles, charming villages, and epic views. Don't miss a sunset cruise, the colors are wild. Number 5. The Hoheweg. This is Interlaken's main boulevard. It's lined with boutiques, cozy cafes, and those legendary Swiss chocolate shops. Treat yourself. 6. Scheinigeplat. Take the historic cogwheel train to this stunning viewpoint. The hiking trails here will have your camera working overtime. 7. Harder Kulm. Ride the funicular up for a 360-degree panorama of Interlaken, both lakes, and the surrounding peaks. It's a local favorite for a reason. 8. Canyoning. If you're feeling adventurous, try canyoning, sliding, jumping, and swimming through mountain streams and waterfalls. It's a total rush. 9. St. Vitus Caves. Wander through these ancient limestone caves and check out underground waterfalls. Super cool and just a bit mysterious. 10. And Swiss cuisine. You can't come to Switzerland and not indulge. Grab a fondue, try the local cheese, and of course, devour some Swiss chocolate. Your taste buds will thank you. 11. Iseltwald. This tiny lakeside village is pure magic. Think fairy tale houses, calm waters, and peaceful vibes. 12. Lauterbrunnen Valley. Just a short train ride away, this valley is dotted with 72 waterfalls and charming villages. It's the stuff of postcards. 13. Adventure sports. From skydiving to bungee jumping, Interlaken is Europe's adrenaline playground. 14. Take a scenic bike ride. There are easy routes and challenging climbs, with views that'll leave you speechless. And finally, 15. Just wander. Interlaken is made for strolling. Discover hidden gardens, friendly locals, and that laid-back Swiss happiness. So, are you ready for the adventure of a lifetime? Pack your bags and dive into all the beauty, energy, and magic of Interlaken. Trust me, you'll be dreaming about this place long after you leave. Smash that subscribe button for more travel inspiration and guides. Until next time, safe travels and happy exploring.